Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable voice assistant of your Sony buds. So to do this we have to switch from the status to the sound. Next we have to scroll down. We have to go for the system, and here we can find the voice assistant, and when we click on it we can enable the voice assistant of our mobile device. So in my case it will be Siri. We can also switch to the Amazon Alexa or simply turn off the voice assistant. And once you switch to the Amazon Alexa you have to restart your earbuds, so we have to put them back to the case, then take them off, click to connect, and take a look. As you can see right now it's okay. Maybe it's some kind of the bug, we have to restart. Just do this one more time. And as you can see right now we are successfully switched to the Amazon Alexa. You can also turn off the assistant by selecting do not use, and you have to also restart your earphones. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.